Introducing Lenovo IdeaPad D330 Intel Celeron N4020 10.1 inches HD IPS Detachable 2-in-1 laptop in mineral grey. OS consists of Windows 10. It weighs up to 1.13 kg. It consists of Intel Celeron N4020 processor. It comes with 4GB DDR4, 2133 RAM along with integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics 600. It has an internal memory of 128GB, eMMC 5.1. It has a battery life of 6 hours. It comes with a size of 10.1 inches and has a resolution 1280 by 800 pixels. It supports both headphones and speakers. It has various ports like 2 USB 2.0, USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm pogo pin dock connector, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The box includes Wi-Fi pad, keyboard dock, user manual and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.